If you're seeing an Ubisoft activation code issue in Epic Games, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game without wasting time. This problem usually comes down to a launcher conflict, the wrong Ubisoft account being connected, corrupted game files, or a cache issue inside Ubisoft Connect. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's start with the simplest fix first. Step 1 is to completely restart both launchers. Close Epic Games Launcher and Ubisoft Connect fully, and don't just minimize them. Make sure they are not still running in the system tray or background. If needed, open Task Manager and end any Epic Games or Ubisoft Connect processes that are still active. Once both are completely closed, launch the game again from Epic Games and see if the activation code prompt goes away. Sometimes the issue is only temporary and a clean restart is enough to refresh the connection. Next, check your Ubisoft account. This is very important because the game must be linked to the same Ubisoft account that originally activated it. If you sign into a different account, Epic may keep asking for an activation code or fail to recognize your ownership properly. Open Ubisoft Connect, sign out if necessary, and confirm that you are using the exact account tied to the game. If you have more than one Ubisoft account, double check before moving on. Now let's move to the next fix. Right-click the Ubisoft Connect desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it sometimes needs to communicate correctly with Epic and Ubisoft services. After opening it as admin, try launching the game again from Epic Games. This simple step can solve issues caused by permission errors or blocked background processes. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is verify your game files inside Epic Games Launcher. Open Epic, go to your library, find the game, click the three dots next to it, then choose Manage and select Verify. Epic will scan the files and repair anything missing or damaged. Corrupted or incomplete game files can definitely trigger activation problems, so this step is well worth doing. Let the verification finish completely before testing the game again. Another common cause is a VPN. If you have any VPN turned on, disable it before launching the game. VPNs can cause region matching problems or make Ubisoft and Epic think you are connecting from a different location, which can interfere with activation and account verification. Once the VPN is off, close both launchers again and try reopening the game. Now, if you're still stuck, the last major fix is clearing the Ubisoft Connect cache. This is one of the best troubleshooting steps because cache data can become outdated or corrupted and cause sign-in or activation errors. To do this, open File Explorer and go to the Ubisoft Connect installation folder, which is usually located at /program files open, parenthesis x86 close parenthesis /Ubisoft Game Launcher. Inside that folder, look for the cache contents and delete the cache files, but do not delete the whole launcher unless you know exactly what you're doing. After clearing the cache, reopen Ubisoft Connect, sign in again, and then launch the game from Epic Games one more time. In many cases, this forces the launcher to rebuild fresh data and fixes the activation code issue. So to quickly recap, restart both launchers, make sure the correct Ubisoft account is signed in, run Ubisoft Connect as administrator, verify the game files in Epic, turn off any VPN, and clear the Ubisoft cache. Those are the main fixes that solve this problem for most players. If one step doesn't work, move to the next because the issue can come from more than one place. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, launcher fixes, and PC troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.